Yazi kunabadlali abanjengoSipho Mbule. Abadlali abanjengoSipho Mbule abanalo ithalente lokudlala ibhola. Abanalo ithalente lokudlala ibhola but indlela abayiphatha ngokhona outside of ukudlaleni ibhola ayihambiselani necareer yabo. Yabo indlela abayiphatha ngakhona baningi abadlali. There is a history of South African footballers abalahlekelwa icareer ngenxa yokuyiphatha kwabo outside of football. Yabo indlela uSipho Mbule ayiphatha ngakhona angifuni uqamba amanga bafethu. Ngizwisa ubuhlungu kakhulu. Ngizwisa ubuhlungu because this guy indlela adlala ngakhona uyakudeserve ukuthi adlalele amateam amakhulu. Uyakudeserve impela ukuthi adlalele amateam amakhulu. The reason why Sundowns yamisa kuSikhukhune on the loan is because of his behavior. Yabo ku club. Indlela abehave ngakhona. Yabo many people were saying Orlando Pirates should get this guy. Orlando Pirates should get this guy. Kaizer Chiefs should get this guy. But I don't think nakhona ku Kaizer Chiefs nakhona ku Orlando Pirates angayiphatha kahle. Because indlela ayiphatha ngayo i-lifestyle ayiphilayo ayikho right ayihambiselani nebhola. Yabo kube kuya ngaye ngabe uyitholela imali ahlala ekhaya yabo ayi-enjoy life yakhe. Yabo kuphumela umbiko mfethu ngoSipho Mbule. Sipho Mbule umdlali weSikhukhune United olonwe from Mamelodi Sundowns. Kuthiwe la nawo Sipho Mbule ubonakale kwi-camp. Ubonakale kwi-camp nomuntu uviolate ama-team protocols. Yabo uviolate ama-team protocols wabonakala nomuntu ecampini ye-team. I'm sure naka banengqondo banga understand ukuthi umuntu kanjani, umuntu wesimama. Yabo ngenzeka phela ukuthi umuntu wesimama ubani ongabonakala naye kwi-camp ye-team. Yabo because kuyaziwa phela akumele kuze abantu kwi-camp, kumele kuze i-coaching staff ama-team members. Yabo kuthiwa lana Sikhukhune United and Mbule are set to part ways. So Sikhukhune United are likely to terminate the contract of Sipho Mbule following his remark about one of the technical team members, implying that his advice was outdated. The advice was in relation on how Mbule is expected to play. Yabo kuthiwa lana Sikhukhune bafuna ukuyiterminate contract yakhe cause kune technical member adim advice ukuthi kumele adlale kanjani and uMbule washo ukuthi hayi le ndlela ofuna ngidlale ngakhona i-outdated. Yabo and low advice leyo yabo izomsiza ukuthi adlale kangcono and yena indlela ayishaya indiva ngakhona ayikho right. Yabo Mbule's remarks were made in the presence of his teammates. Imagine telling a technical member ukuthi mina ngeke ngiyenze lona in front of the teammates. Umucabanga ngazothina ama teammates. Kuthiwa lana furthermore Mbule allegedly violated team protocols by bringing an unauthorized individual to the camp. Jwade ngishilo ubulethe umuntu ongaziwa ku camp. Yebo uviolate nje ama protocols e-club by bringing umuntu ongaziwa ku camp. How can you bring someone wazi kahle ukuthi angimele eze ku camp? Yebo due to his misconduct at camp he has been sent back to Johannesburg and will miss the match against Richards Bay ngolesithathu. Yebo ngiyazi ayidlale imatch la bezodlala khona against Richards Bay. Imagine a player like uSipho Mbule. I know Sikhukhune samdinga uSipho Mbule but come on, uku-acta kanje lonto ingadala i-team uthi inga-act kahle. Abantu abaningi mhlawumbe basondele nayo uSipho Mbule bangagcina sebejoyina le behavior yakhe. Yabo which is very very wrong. I don't wanna lie. Which is very wrong. There are many South African players who acted like this, who acted like uSipho Mbule and ama-career yabo awaphelanga kahle. Yabo exhibit A nje ulumfana lo. Ngeke ngisho ukuthi ulumfana lo baba lo uJunior Khanye. Junior Khanye career yakhe ayiphelanga kamnandi because career yakhe was cut short by his lifestyle. Yabo ayenza outside of football. Likely useyitholile ki-channel la wa revive khona i-career yakhe nge-eDisc TV. But i-career yakhe ebhola was cut short by his lifestyle. Yabo Mbule is no stranger to controversy, having reportedly arrived training under the influence of utshwala while at Mamelodi Sundowns. I think that's why Mamelodi Sundowns yamlona to Sikhukhune because nakhona ku Sundowns wayefike ephuzile. yabo wayefike iphuzile na ku Sundowns enye yezinto eyadala ukuthi iSundowns imhambise yabo. So ngempela bafethu abadlali abanje angazi mina bangasizwa kanjani, angifuni uqamba manga angazi bangasizwa kanjani. Angifuni akukho mnandi ukukhuluma nje ngomfowethu because uSipho Mbuli umjida nje yabo. I don't know, maybe mhlawumbe abantu abasondelene nabo bangazama ukuthi bamhlalise phansi bamtshele mfethu ukuthi i-career yakhe, i-career yebhola kahle incane, i-career yebhola incane. So mulitholile lelo thuba kumele ulisebenzise ngempela. Mutholile ithuba lokudlala ibhola professionally ku PSL, Betway Premiership, playing for iSundowns. You must use that opportunity. You not using that opportunity will limit your chances of becoming one of the best players asebadlalela like bese badlala ku PSL, because Sipho Mbuli is a good player. I've been praising uSipho Mbuli, but izinto ezikanje ngempela ziyangidisappoint mina ukuzizwa ngaye yabo, zangidisappoint. Angifuni uqamba manga, but ke nina ningangitshela bafethu isituation yaSipho Mbuli into ekumele yenziwe njani yabo, into engenziwa nje ngempela, ngoba lo mjide lo kuningi asangakuletha and neminyaka yakhe I think ulaka 26 25 if I'm not mistaken yabo. Usenawo ama season mhlamba u4 5 yabo, usenawo nje ngempela ama season asengawadlala la ku Betway Premiership. And angiboni after this, after isikhukhuna si-terminate contract yakhe, angiboni mhlawumbe ukuthi khona i-team enkulu esengamlanda, because Sundowns I'm sure mesebuye ku Sundowns ngeke ifuna ukurenew i-contract yakhe. Ungayirenew kanjani i-contract yakhe izolanda umuntu ongayiphathi kahle. Sundowns iyodlala le manje kwi lempahla le, iyodlala kwi Club World Cup yabo. Njobe kwi Club World Cup they don't want players abazoyiphatha kanje yabo. Ingakho abadlali abaningi balunwa, ingakho abadlali abaningi abangayiphathi kahle balunwa. So ngempela ngokwakho ungangitshela ukuthi iyiphi club mhlambe engayi-revive career yakhe. I feel like mina iSuper Sports iyona team akumele abuyele kuyona ayodlala khona yabo, because I don't think one of the big clubs or Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs or Sundowns, even Steelers, I don't think they will allow him to go to their clubs because of his behavior yabo. I-behavior yakhe bafethu iyona emenza kube ngayo uthakathandeki, kanti umdlalo okwazi ukudlala. It's not like akalazi ibhola, he knows how to play football yabo. Ibhola nje kuyena lisegazini. But ke ngangitshela bafethu uVane Sports lo ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapha YouTube yabo. Ama video ngiyaposta ka YouTube, muwaboni la hambe ka YouTube akhona ama video khona yabo. Ngiyabonga ngothandeni nginiyalona.